In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change text alignment in cells in a table in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, I have here a table and it has some text. But for one reason, you may want to align this text differently. For instance, maybe I want this word text to be aligned from right towards left. Currently, you can see it is aligned left to right. I also have this. Maybe I want to align this at the center or even upside down. It's pretty simple. Just follow these instructions. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on table layout here and make sure you have clicked your cursor in the cell that you want to change the text alignment. So I've clicked my cursor in the first text, which I want to push to the right side. And once the cursor is here, head over to table layout and then head over to this option called text alignment or text direction. Now, if I click on this, you can see it will turn the text in this style, and by clicking further, it will go ahead and change the different alignment or orientation for my text. However, for my case, I want to push this text to the right hand side. To do that, go ahead and choose amongst these options here, and you can see this is alignment for bottom right, and you also have this alignment for bottom center. We also have this alignment for top right. So for my case, I'll choose align to top right, and this will go ahead and move the text to top right, as you can see here. For this, I want to align this text at the center. To do so, I'll also click here or anywhere in the box or the cell. Again, come back to table layout and choose the center option. And here we have align center. And if I click on it, you can see the text has been aligned at the center. So that's how you can change text alignment in cells in your table in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.